Hello, and welcome to the third installment in the Developer Tools series within this tutorial. In this video, we're going to be looking at list boxes. Right? In the previous two tutorials, we looked at checkboxes and option boxes. Alright, both very useful, but this time we're going to be looking at something a little different. We're going to be looking at a list box. If you haven't done so already, you need to make sure that the Developer Tool tab appears and is active like it is here on the video. If it is not, just click on the blue space. Alright, make sure that you're actually over top of anything. Just click on the blue space itself. Go Customize Quick Access Toolbar. And we're just going to shrink this window a little bit so it fits. Alright. And then on your video, this will not be checked. So it'll look exactly like this does now. Alright, and what you have to do is click on it. Click OK, and it'll appear. So click on the Developer tab, alright, and we need to scroll down so we have some space to work with in the list box. Next, click on this insert icon here with the wedge and the hammer, and we gotta go find the list box. If you're not sure which icon is the list box, just scroll over until it says. Click on it and kind of draw your list box. Once you're done drawing the list box, you'll notice that nothing is actually in the list box and you can't do anything with it while these 9 nodes are active. First, we need to put information into the list box from somewhere else on the Excel file. How we do this is by right-clicking within the box, go to Format Control, we first have to select our input range, and I'm just going to select the entire list of values in the A column, and then we have to declare a cell link. Now the cell link is not another group of information, it's just a single cell. And the purpose of the cell link is to give a place for the output of the list box to go. If you don't declare a cell link box or cell, nothing will happen. You can select all you want, but no output will happen, and there's no way to actually use the information that you select. So notice here, by default, we see 50 and 20, 50, 20. Right? If you want to select anything else, you just got to make sure that these 9 little circles or the 9 nodes are not active, so just click away. And now I can click down all I want and pick any option I want. Okay, so I'm going to pick the 13 here, which is the third in the list. 1, 2, 3. And that's why this 3 is a 3 and not the 13. With the list box, what it returns is the cell list reference. Right? So if I were to click on the very first number, my cell link to this list box would return a 1. If it was the 20, it would return a 2, and so on. So I find the list boxes are good for creating a list of names or picking a list of elements, maybe in your chemistry or something else, and using that information to further your analysis of whatever you're doing. If you have any questions, just email your teacher. Thanks.